Welcome to Great Books Explained, where we explore the timeless classics that shape literature. Today we begin with one of the greatest novels ever written, Anna Karenina by Leo Tolstoy, sweeping tale of love, betrayal, society, and self-destruction. This book is as relevant today as it was in the 19th century Russia. Leo Tolstoy, born in 1828, was a Russian aristocrat who became one of the most revered authors of all time. His life was a contradiction. Nobleman turned ascetic, soldier turned pacifist, and storyteller turned philosopher. Anna Karenina was published in installment between 1875 and 1877 during a time of political unrest and social change. Anna Karenina opens with the famous line, "All happy families are alike. Each unhappy family is unhappy in its own way." The novel follows two intertwined narratives, Anna's passionate, destructive affair with Count Bronsky and the quieter philosophical journey of Konstantin Levin, a character many say represents Tolstoy himself. At its core, Anna Karenina explores love, romantic, doomed, idealized, and grounded. It questions the meaning of happiness, the role of women in society, and the cost of defying social norms. It also pits nature against industrial progress, faith against doubt, and personal freedom against societal duty. Anna is a tragic figure, vibrant, intelligent, and stippled by convention. Bronsky is charming but ultimately shallow. Levin, in contrast, seeks spiritual fulfillment through work and love. Kitty grows from a naive girl into a strong, grounded woman, and Carolyn, often vilified, is more complex than he first appears. Tolstoy uses powerful symbols throughout the novel. The train, which brings Anna and Tronsky together, also signals doom. Snow and mirror reflect internal turmoil. Time, often emphasized through clocks and calendars, underscores the relentless march of fate. Anna's end is not just a personal tragedy, but a commentary on a society that offers no forgiveness. Isolation becomes unbearable. Meanwhile, Levin, after much inner turmoil, finds peace, not in reason, but in faith and love. One path ends in despair, the other in quiet hope. Anna Karenina remains a cornerstone of world literature. Its psychological depth, moral complexity, and lyrical beauty have inspired countless adaptations and debates. It asks questions we still ask today. What does it mean to live well, and at what cost do we love freely? Tolstoy did not just write about life, he wrestled with it on every page. In Anna Karenina, he gives us the tragedy of a woman, the questions of a man, and the mirror of society on the edge of change. Thank you for joining this episode of Great Books Explained. If you found the story as powerful as we did, stay tuned. More classics await.